Reinforced thermoplastic pipe, RTP for short, is used for the transportation of oil, gas and water for both onshore and offshore.
The pipes are also called thermoplastic composite pipe, TCP for short. The pipes typically range from 3-inch to 10-inch in diameter. Liner pipe is pulled through a production line using a caterpillar haul-off, and reinforcement tapes are wrapped around the pipe to increase burst pressure resistance.
The pipe can be passed through the production line a number of times to build up multiple layers of tapes for very high pressure applications. The pipe can be unbonded, or heating systems can be used to semi-bond or fully bond the tapes to the liner pipe. Various materials can be used to suit the pipe application.
Although the production line is long, it is very easy to operate from the central control console. A pipe production recipe is created, which is saved within the PLC. You simply enter the pipe size, tape width, number of tapes, tape tension, gap between the tapes and any heating requirements. The machine then automatically sets the taping angles and looks after the rest. Viewing cameras help to see what is happening throughout the line, and the HMI provides the production information.
Here at Ridgway, the success of our company depends on great performance, with exceptional quality of product reliability and customer service underpinning everything we do. Our goal is to achieve 100% customer satisfaction 100% of the time. Our team is passionate and committed to ensuring this exceptional level of quality and precision is delivered to our customers. To ensure this, Ridgway has developed a comprehensive quality management system complemented by robust objectives and measures designed to verify organisational effectiveness. Our processes are quality orientated, focused on continual improvement, are continually monitored and updated by a dedicated quality team, tested by our global customers and recently validated by Lloyd's Register to an internationally recognised quality approval, ISO 9001-2015.
Ridgway produce a range of RTP manufacturing machinery and have more than 20 years' experience within the industry, having supplied machinery globally.
We offer the most sophisticated machinery available, backed by the highest level of quality. We can support our customers in setting up an RTP manufacturing plant, including assistance with other equipment through our various partners.
RTP production lines offer a rapid return on investment, and the market for RTP pipe is growing rapidly.
Ridgway have invested in a development line and can now offer assistance in RTP pipe development and sample production.